Everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here for Jura ENA 6. This machine was brought in because the grind bin was stuck and the blades wouldn't turn, so we found that, the grinder had just been really dirty, needed good cleaning, freed it up, and then we did a tune-up, cleaning the inside of the brew assembly, deep clean, replacing the brew gasket, and descaling. Now everything is looking good, ready to roll. Just gonna make a little quick coffee. Just remember which button it is. Nope. Well. That's supposed to be nope. We don't have the attachment. But it's gonna pull a shot afterwards, so. See that happen. Purge the water. There it is, the espresso. Look good. Let's stop at 2 ounces. There we go. And just for kicks. And there you have it. Jura working again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.